If you are a small creator waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just so YouTube will finally let you into the YouTube Partner Program, I need you to stop right now. How to make money on YouTube is a question millions of creators are asking, and most of them are getting the wrong answer. They think AdSense is the only path. Well, I'm here to show you that it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you the real YouTube monetization strategies that work even if you're just starting out. These are YouTube tips for beginners that I wish someone had told me earlier. Stay with me. Now let's talk about what AdSense actually pays. There's a metric called YouTube RPM, which means revenue per mile, which is how much you earn per 1,000 views. On the average, that's between $1 and $5. So if your video gets 10,000 views, you might make between $10 and $50. That's it. And here's what makes it worse. YouTube takes 45% of your ad revenue before it even reaches you. So your actual YouTube earnings are even smaller than that number suggests. Now think about how long it takes a brand new channel to reach those kinds of view counts. It may take weeks, months, sometimes longer. AdSense and the YouTube Partner Program were designed to reward channels that already have large audiences. It was never built to help small creators make a living from day one. So why are so many of us treating it like it's the only finish line? Here's the good news. There are real AdSense alternatives that can start generating YouTube income for you right now without waiting for YouTube's approval. There are 3 small YouTube channel monetization strategies that actually work, and you can start all of them today. First on the list is YouTube affiliate marketing. This is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to generate passive income on YouTube, and it works at any subscriber count. Here is how affiliate marketing for beginners work. You recommend a product or service in your video, drop a unique tracking link in your description, and every time someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is one of the great starting points. It's free to join and covers millions of products. But depending on your niche, there are affiliate programs paying 20%, 30%, or even 50% commission per sale. One well-placed affiliate link in the right video can generate more revenue than 100,000 AdSense views ever would. That's the power of YouTube without AdSense. Strategy number 2 is digital products on YouTube. This is where things get really interesting. If you have knowledge, and I know you do, you can package it into an ebook, a template, a mini course, or even a PDF guide and sell it directly to your audience. There are several online platforms that make this incredibly simple to start up, completely free. This is one of the smartest YouTube strategies out there because you keep almost all of the profits. And here's the key insight. You don't need a massive channel. You just need the right audience. Even 200 loyal subscribers who trust you can generate consistent YouTube income if you're offering something they genuinely need. That's the real secret behind monetizing without 1,000 subscribers. Strategy number 3 is brand deals for small YouTubers. A lot of people think YouTube sponsorships are only for channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. That's completely false. Brands today are actively searching for micro-influencer brand deals because smaller creators have something big channels often don't, and that is a deeply engaged, loyal audience that actually listens and acts on recommendations. This is one of the most overlooked small channel tips out there. If your engagement rate is solid, you can approach brands in your niche and pitch a partnership. Start small. Reach out to 3 or 5 brands per month via email or DM. Be genuine and show them your numbers. YouTube sponsorships at micro level are more accessible than ever, and they can pay some good amount of money per video depending on your niche and audience. Now let's talk about something deeper, because this isn't just about money. It's about your YouTube business strategy and how you think about your channel overall. Now, when you make AdSense your primary goal, you stop thinking like a creator and start chasing views. You make videos for the algorithm instead of for people watching. And ironically, that approach is what keeps most channels stuck. The creators who succeed in today's creator economy think like business owners from day one. They build systems, they create value. They ask questions like, how can I serve my audience so well that they want to support me, buy from me, and share my content? Not, how do I get more views for ad revenue? Here is the mindset shift that I want you to make. YouTube is a platform. It is not your business. Your business is the value you deliver. YouTube is simply where people discover you. So instead of asking, when will YouTube monetize me? Start asking, how do I monetize my audience myself? That single question is one of the most powerful YouTube success tips I can give you. It will change how you create, how you grow, and how you earn. All right, let's bring this together with a simple action plan because YouTube growth tips means nothing without execution. So here's your 3 weeks YouTube side hustle starter plan. Week 1, sign up for one affiliate program relevant to your niche and mention it naturally in your next video. That's your YouTube affiliate marketing foundation. Week 2, create one simple digital product. It could be a one-page guide, a checklist, or a template. List it online for free. That's your digital product on YouTube strategy live and running. Week 3, research 3 small brands in your niche and send them a short, personalized pitch. That's your first step towards landing real YouTube sponsorships. That's 3 weeks with 3 moves. And you've already built more than AdSense would have given you in an entire year on a small channel. Remember that the goal isn't to replace AdSense forever. No. AdSense revenue is a beautiful bonus when it comes. But it should be the cherry on top of a solid income foundation, not the foundation itself. That's what separates channels that grow from channels that give up while waiting. Now, a quick side note. One of the biggest reasons people stop posting on social media is because they run out of ideas. So that's exactly why I created the 30 days to a magnetic social media presence, packed with 30 simple but engaging post ideas to help you stay consistent and build confidence online. You can apply these ideas across all your social media accounts, be it Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even Twitter. You can check it out through the link in the description. If this video gave you a new perspective on how to grow a YouTube channel and actually earn from it, do me a favor. Share it with a fellow creator who's still stuck in the AdSense waiting game. They need to hear this. And if you want more YouTube channel tips for beginners and honest advice on building a channel that actually pays, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I drop content like this every week. Now go build your channel like the business it's meant to be. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.